Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this Python tutorial, let's try to solve a Python program. So that is write a Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30 using for loop. So given the range that is 1, that is starting range is 1 and ending range is 30. So you have to iterate these numbers using the for loop and you have to print all the even numbers that is between 1 and 30. So excluding the values 1 and 30. So that is a problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let me take two variables, that is start and end, and then let's assign 1 and 30 to it. So let's take start is equals to 1 and end is equals to 30. So this is the ending range. So now let us try to use the for loop. So before printing the even number, so let us try to print a user friendly message. The even numbers between 1 and 30 are, so let's copy this message and inside the print function, so let us try to print. So r, let's give dot dot dot, and now let us try to use the for loop and try to iterate the numbers from starting range to the ending range. So let's use for numbers, that is for number in, let's take a range function in order to get the range from 1 to 30, that is let's give start, this is a starting range, and end. Yeah, so this is a for loop that will iterate from 1 to 30. So now let us try to check if the given number, that is a temporary variable within the for loop, that is number, is an even number or not. So in order to check the even number, so let's modulate it with a 2 and check if the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, so then we try to print the number. So let's use a if statement and let's take a number and modulate it with the 2. Check if the remainder is 0. So then what we do is, if this particular statement is true, so we get to know that this is a even number. So let us try to print it. So let's try to print the number and let's try to print the numbers side by side, that is end equals to, so let's give space. So this will print the numbers side by side. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30 using the for loop. So let us try to execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so you can see the even numbers between 1 and 30 are dot dot dot. So you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 up to 28 it has printed. So we are trying to exclude the 1 and 30. So that's the reason it has not printed 30 over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the even numbers between 1 and 30, that too using the for loop. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.